this goes. I'm walking down the street, I'm here in Toronto shooting some films. I did not plan to make this film. Sound is terrible, right? So I was just walking down the street, I just got my hair cut, I'm not planning to shoot, and then I see this amazing place. Like, it's just so beautiful. Old school, worldy, but like, it's got the charm, but the food that it's doing there is amazing. So I go in, it's a dream. It's the perfect place for me. And I couldn't not make a film about it. So I'm coming here for lunch and I'm going to tell you all about this place. Go for it. This is my brother Kieran. What's the vibe, mate?
Côte de Boeuf, it's like a little French bistro, wine bar happening on Ossington in Toronto. It kind of reminds me of Paris, a sort of small nook of that city in this continent. Wines by the glass, sort of French food, sort of escargot, tartare, foie gras, but also dry aged meats hanging in the window, just sort of catch people's eye. It's just a great place to come have a drink or stay for a proper dinner.
Yeah, I love this place.
This is fabulous.
It's cool.
Best burger ever.
Yeah. Let me get some lunch, right?
Yeah.
Any thoughts? You want to do a burger or?
The girls were saying that I should have the burger.
Oh yeah, they were. All right, so they are right. The burger is delicious. I mean, fresh ground beef in a butcher shop, you can't go wrong. It's a little heavy, but I mean, you kind of try something a bit lighter, maybe. I reckon you should order the steak tartare and our escargot.
Okay. Okay. Let's do it.
Maybe do like a nice craft beer.
Okay.
What I have is here is a piece of inside round, which we use for tartare. It's not as fatty inside as you can see. It's perfect for your tartare meat because people don't like to have too much fat and gristle inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into portions, something big enough for 2 people to eat. The fatty part of the inside round, we don't throw away our proteins. We actually use every part of the cow. What I'm going to do with this piece of meat is I'm going to throw it in our stock pot to add some more flavor. And then I will cut the protein down into almost like flaky texture. So at this point I'm going to look through the meat to see if there's any unwanted pieces of fat or gristle. I'm going to mix that up with shallots, parsley, cornichons, truffle paste. Truffle paste consists of 3 different types of mushrooms, fungi, and truffle as well. Dijon mustard, soy sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper, and green peppercorns. I'll top it off with an egg yolk and some frites.
Alright, steak tartare, as it should be.
Thanks, brother. Nice one. Thank you. It's such a little gem, this place. And like, all those ingredients work together. With the egg yolk broke over it. I don't think there's anything I don't love about this place. Like, it's just so perfectly formed. Love it. And just with a red, perfect. Toronto is very much like New York, and you have to go hunting for the gems. You have to go hunting for those cool places. This is definitely one of the gems. I think if you're looking for that little bit of bistro, cafe, French hit of classics, this is the place. Yeah, thanks for a great lunch. Thanks for letting me film.
No worries. Cheers.
No worries. Glad to have you here.
Thanks, guys. See you later. Well, mate, that is so good. I don't think there's anything I don't like about Côte de Boeuf. Like, it's just classic French. It does everything perfect. It looks the part. It looks like it's been there 120 years. And I just happened upon it. Like, the best food experiences are those that you just stumble on. Give them a follow on Instagram. Yeah, man, I hope you like the film. I didn't intend to shoot this. I've got to stop shooting films. Can't help it. There's so many good places in Toronto. Right, see you later. Increase the peace. Subscribe to the channel.